Discover the power of HeyGen's ChatGPT plugin and learn how to create engaging AI avatar videos just by typing several words. Let's dive right in and see how this incredible plugin works. Step 1. Install and enable the HeyGen plugin. It's as easy as a few clicks. Head over to the plugin store, locate HeyGen, and install it. Once it's installed, make sure you enable it in the plugin list. Step 2. Ask ChatGPT to create a video. Now comes the fun part. With HeyGen enabled, you can ask ChatGPT to create a video for you. Simply provide your transcript, or let ChatGPT generate it for you. It's like having your very own AI video assistant. Here's where magic happens. Sit back, relax, and wait for the video to generate.
To grab attention on the internet, videos tend to fare better than photos, especially on social media.
Step 3. Customize your video. There's more. HeyGen lets you personalize your videos to make them truly unique. You can specify parameters such as the video title, avatar gender, and even the avatar's skin tone. Make it your own. Once you've added your personal touch, just sit tight and wait for your customized video to generate. Isn't it amazing? With HeyGen's ChatGPT plugin, creating videos has never been easier. You can be your own director, screenwriter, and editor with just a few keystrokes. Try HeyGen plugin today.